Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Love Madness on Roblox. This exciting game challenges you to navigate a high school environment while secretly eliminating rivals. Your ultimate objective is to secure the affection of your chosen senpai, all while maintaining an innocent facade. It requires careful planning and quick thinking to succeed in this unique social simulation. To begin, explore the school grounds to discover helpful items and interact with fellow students. Attending classes and joining clubs can boost your reputation, offering unique advantages. When it comes to rivals, you will find various weapons scattered throughout the school. Remember, discretion is key to avoiding detection and continuing your quest for love. When eliminating rivals, strategy is paramount. Lure your targets to isolated spots, like the furnace room or a quiet corner of the garden, for a swift and silent removal. After the deed, quickly dispose of the body in a furnace or other hidden area. Always remember to clean up any bloodstains to avoid leaving behind incriminating evidence. To truly master Love Madness, you must carefully manage your character's sanity, as low sanity can lead to unpredictable actions. Engage in positive interactions with other students to keep your reputation high and blend in seamlessly. Most importantly, avoid being witnessed during any suspicious activities. Getting caught will quickly lead to a game over. Good luck and have fun.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.